Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this reindeer red nose. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This is how your red color nose look like. Now our last round is there. For last round we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. See, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around. Okay, now it's like if you want to place directly this red nose, you can place it that way also, but like I have made a white background also for it, which looks more better, it's good. So for we will go to that white background now. Just make a slip knot. Sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. After slip knot, make 5 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now after 5 chain crochet stitches, now the first stitch, which is after current loop on the needle, in that first stitch itself we will make 5 half double crochet stitches. In one stitch itself, 5 half double crochet stitches. Now see, here we are done with 5 half double crochet stitches in first stitch itself. Okay, now stitch number 2, 3 and 4. In these 3 stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Just remember we will be taking only one loop of every stitch to make each half double crochet stitch. We are making each half double crochet stitch in only one loop. Okay, when we reach the last stitch, again we will make 5 half double crochet stitches in each last stitch itself. Okay, 5 half double crochet stitches in last stitch itself. Once we are done with the 5 half double crochet stitches in last stitch, so now now see, we have made stitches in one side of the chain. Now we will make stitches in another side of the chain. Okay, using only one loop. So again in second, third and fourth stitch we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the 3 stitches and using only one loop. Okay, and when we are done with that fourth stitch, we will join our half double that stitch with the first stitch we have made. So like our oval is complete. See, now we are done with the fourth stitch. We have made a half double crochet stitch in it. Now we will join that half double crochet stitch with the first half double crochet stitch we have made. See, our oval is complete, our small oval is complete. Now for next round we are going to make 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, using back loop. Okay, 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch using only back loop of every stitch. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Now see, here we complete a round of 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we make a slip stitch and our round is complete. Now for third round we will make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch all around. So I'll just complete this whole round and I'll show you. Now here we are done with our last round where we made 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay. Now comes the last round where we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. And then done. It is complete. So I'll just complete this whole round and I'll show you. I'm just having a really hard time staying. Now see, our white back is also complete. Now we will stitch that red nose on top of this white patch. Okay, so this is how our reindeer nose will look like. Okay, thank you. Now just make a black border to red, half border to red circle and a line down. That's it. Okay, and you can stitch that complete thing on that reindeer face, and this is how it is going to look. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have already subscribed my channel, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and like you will get complete crochet tutorial for all other parts. I'll give you a link in the description for complete applique.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.